How can you tell if the insurance adjuster you're dealing with is being honest and fair with you? Hi, I'm John Griffith. I'm a personal injury trial lawyer practicing law in the state of Tennessee. If you're dealing with an insurance adjuster, there's certain questions that you can ask him or her to know if they're being honest and fair with you. Question number 1. If I give you a recorded statement, Mr. Adjuster, will you give me a copy of the recorded statement that your insured gave to you, the one that caused this wreck? If they will give it to you, you know that they're being fair and honest, and it's not just a one-way street. If they won't, it may lead you to ask question number 2. If I give you a recorded statement, will you promise me in writing that you will not turn around later and blame me for the wreck? You've been involved in a wreck. You know that you either got rear-ended or somebody ran a red light and caused this wreck. One of the reasons they're wanting to take a statement from you is to find one thing that you'll slip up and say that's going to be recorded forever that they can turn around and use against you. Question number 3. Mr. Adjuster, will you tell me how much insurance coverage your insured had at the time that he hit me? The insurance company may say that it's their policy that they cannot provide this information to you. However, their policy is not the law. There is no law that says that they cannot provide this information to you. If they provide this information to you, you know that they're being fair and honest with you. If they don't, you know that they're not. Mr. Adjuster, will you please pay for my outstanding medical bills and hospital and emergency room bills that I've incurred so far? They may tell you that it's their policy that they can't do that. However, it's important for you to know that their policy is not the law. There is no law that says they cannot pay these expenses in advance. We have regularly obtained advance payments on our clients' behalf from liability insurance companies. They don't want to do it, it's not their policy, but there's nothing that prohibits them from doing that. Mr. Adjuster, will you please reimburse me for my out-of-pocket expenses and my lost wages? At a minimum, they should be paying for your co-pays or your prescriptions or your mileage to and from the doctor or for your lost wages. Will they do this most of the time? No. Do they have the right to do this? Of course they can pay those bills. There's nothing, again, that prohibits them from doing that. What are the reasons they don't do this? One of the reasons they want to do this, and one of the reasons their policy is they don't pay until the end, is for one reason only. And you need to know what this is. They are trying to starve you out. They want you to be without your wages. They want you to be in debt with medical bills so that you will take their first desperate lowball offer. That's what they want you to do, and that's the reason they have the policy. It's not because any law prohibits them from doing that. It's the insurance company's choice. If you have questions about your case, call me. I'm here to help. I can be reached at 615-807-7900 or email me at john@griffithinjurylaw.com.